They were excited to bring this main level entry home with 2-bedroom walkout suite located in Diver Lake area of Nanaimo.
Overall, there's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. It's on 0.34 of an acre in a quiet cul-de-sac neighborhood. Come on in, you're gonna wanna have a look at this. As you walk into this home, it's a main level entry home featuring 3 bedrooms on the main floor with 2 bathrooms. Downstairs, you have a walkout suite with 2 bedrooms and a bathroom of its own. The home is situated on 0.34 of an acre. It's a very large usable lot with great outdoor entertaining. You have a large back deck and a large outdoor patio space as well. Parking won't be an issue with this home. You have a double garage and additional parking spaces out front.
If you're interested in viewing this home, reach out to your realtor for a private tour.
Or better yet, reach out to our team at www.simsrealestate.ca.